When you think about wiring, you kind of get a little anxiety. But let me just ease some of that. This is the easy way to go from wiring specialties, right? Everything you need for the engine harness on an LS, especially when you're thinking conversions, right? So they've got the full harness with all the connectors, right? All OEM style Delphi connectors, right? It's got the nylon loom here. And on the ends, it's all that adhesive type of heat shrink tubing, so it's sealed real nicely. Excellent construction. There's no, electrical tape coming undone over time. And if you look, you got the connectors for your PCM on here, and over here is a really nice Bussmann weatherproof fuse box, man. And you got everything from ignition, twin fuel pumps, AC, fans, you name it, right in here, simple, clean, be tucked away. And we even got the PCM to go with it, so it's all plug and play. This is their LS1 Pro Series standalone EFI harness. So let's start plugging it in, and at the end, we just got a couple wires for like speedo, ignition, fuel pump. It's that easy. Come on. All right, we just got to finish up kind of routing the last of the connectors and figuring out how we want to do things kind of cleanly. Ideally, we can snake back here and possibly mount everything up inside the car, keep this as clean as possible. And we're going to take a quick break. You guys stick around.